Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael here from qsocials.net, and what I'm going to be showing you in this video right here is how you can make money on the internet right here in 2021 without having to create your own product, without having to manage your own customers so you don't have to do any customer support whatsoever, without having to do any of that. You can make tons of money selling other people's products and get a commission for that. So if you're interested in that, if you want to know exactly how this works, be sure to stay tuned and watch this video right now. So what I am basically talking about right here is a thing called affiliate marketing. If you do not know what affiliate marketing is, it is very, very easy to understand. Okay, affiliate marketing basically just means that there's people and companies out there who are searching for affiliates, which is you, who are promoting their products for a commission. And I'm not talking about like very small commissions of like 2 or 5%, as we probably know from like the real world, right? What I'm talking about is commissions ranging from like 20 up to like 50 or sometimes even way more percent when there's a launch or something. And usually those are all digital products that don't require any shipping, that don't require you to buy anything beforehand as you would if you were doing something like e-commerce or drop shipping or Shopify or any of this stuff. With this model right here, you can just go to a marketplace, and I will show you a marketplace in a second. You can go to a marketplace and you can simply choose which product you want to promote, and that's very easy to choose. There's a few metrics that you have to look at, and you can just get the affiliate link and promote the product and get a commission. Everything is tracked, okay? So you will get your commission for each and every sale that you make. So yeah, the very best thing in my opinion about affiliate marketing is that you do not have to create your own products. So when it comes to having an online business, the hardest thing really for most people, including myself when I first started and still today, is the product creation. Just imagine you want to go out there and you want to sell a masterclass or you want to sell a course. Not only does it require you to have a certain amount of knowledge and expertise in order to even be able to create a digital product, aka a course, it also requires you to put in all of these hours creating the videos, creating the presentations, all of these things, right? You don't have to do any of this stuff with affiliate marketing. The same thing with like software. You can just go out there and promote other people's software. You don't have to hire a developer and pay them $50,000 in advance to create a software for you that you can later on sell. No, you can just go out there. If there's a software license for $100, you can sell it and get a 50% commission and get $50 without having to do anything really besides promoting the software, right? So let me show you real quick a few sites right here that you can use if you want to get started in affiliate marketing. Obviously, there's way more sites out there, right? And some companies, in fact, many companies even have their own affiliate program. So they wouldn't be like on the marketplace, but they have their own program. So if you already know a company or a product that you're interested in that you want to promote, just check with the actual company first if they have an affiliate program. This right here is more for beginners. If you want to get into affiliate marketing, what I would suggest you guys to do is to go to one of these sites right here, okay? So the first site that I want to be showing you guys right here is called JVSue, right? So the marketplace is called jvsuemarket.com. And as you can see, this is like a typical affiliate marketplace, right? We can see the different products right here, how much they cost, how many they've already sold. Right here, for example, this one right here is called PR page, find, flip, profit with high value domains faster and easier than ever before. I guess this is some kind of tool that allows you to flip domains, helps people to, I guess, do domain flipping, which is basically buying a domain and then selling it for a profit, stuff like that. Let's just real quick go right here. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but let's just go and check out this product. And this is basically how it looks like, right? So this is a product, kind of looks like a software type of thing. Yeah, this is kind of like more like a software that helps you find these domains and stuff like that. And when we scroll down, let's check out the price right here. They sell the product for only $47. They sell the product for $47. So let's just imagine that the commission is 50% right here. So that means you would make $23.50 just for selling one of these products without having to do anything besides promoting it, right? So how this would work is you would just have to make an account on JVSU, for example. You will sign up and you will be able to get an affiliate link for this product. Then you can go ahead and create, for example, a blog post or a YouTube video on, like, let's say, how to flip domains. And then you explain to people how to do domain flipping. And at the end, you tell them, oh, I found this awesome tool, which allows me to find like the most valuable domains and then flip them, all of these good things, right? And then you will sell them this product, okay? Another great site, and probably the most famous site when it comes to affiliate marketing, is clickbank.com. Clickbank is probably the OG website. It's probably one of the first affiliate marketing marketplaces out there, okay? And what this site allows you to do is same thing as JVSU, just a little bit different. It allows you to find products, promote them, and then get a commission for each and every sale that you make. So I found a pretty nice article right here showing you the top Clickbank products of July 2021. So this is really up to date right here, okay? So let's just say, let's just take one example that all of you guys can relate to right here. For example, right here, right? Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind. So obviously I don't know this product, but it's one of the best selling products right here on Clickbank. And what this is basically, it's a course obviously about cryptocurrency, right? Which is trending all over the place right now. A lot of people talk about it. So what you can see right here is they have a starting commission of 45%. So that means that's their starting commission, right? So they obviously have different upsells and all of these things where they might increase the commission, or they might also increase the commission or they might also increase your commission or they might also increase your commission depending on other factors. So let's just real quick check how much they're selling their course for. All right, here it says, join today, one payment of $1,497 and then $97 a month. Okay, so let's just imagine there's 45%. It's almost half of the price that they're selling it for. So if you promote this and you make one sale, you already make like $750 just with this one sale. And then you will also make more money every single month if they keep paying the $100 a month, right? I'm not sure what the commission on the recurring payment is right now, but I guess it's anywhere from like 20, 30 something percent. Just imagine how much money you can make doing that, okay? Just imagine making like 10 sales a month and they keep paying $100 a month each and every month, like for like 6, 7, 8, 9 months, okay? How awesome is that? Yeah, so that's basically how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. So when it comes to affiliate marketing though, I'm no expert when it comes to that. You know, I'm a software entrepreneur. I got my own agency, qsocials.net. But I recently came across a really awesome webinar that I found the other day, and it's called Big Money with Affiliate Marketing, okay? So I basically came across this webinar. I was just blown away by these two guys, by these two presenters, this guy Vic and Terrence. You know, these guys are actually killing it with affiliate marketing. You know, I also do affiliate marketing on the side here and there, but just sometimes. We do offer affiliate marketing though for our own products. But me, myself, I'm not an expert when it comes to that, but these guys definitely are, okay? And when you check out this webinar, guys, you know, what you're going to learn is some awesome stuff. You know, these guys it's like 1.5 hours. I don't even remember. It was like hella long, but it was pure value. It was such awesome information. They guide you through everything, as you can see right here, right? How to find great products to promote, because that's already the first thing. You can't just go on Clickbank and just pick the first product and it will work. You have to know exactly what kind of metrics, what kind of criteria you have to go through and sort your products by, that you find a winning product that is actually worth promoting. And these guys will show you 100% how this is done. Then the next thing, how to set up your 6-figure marketing system. So they will basically give you like a detailed breakdown of the marketing system that they use that does all the selling for them 24/7, that lets you outsource everything, that lets you get traffic on autopilot, so you, at some point you don't have to do anything anymore. You can just see the money coming in. And what they also show you is how to get high quality traffic to your office, right? Because believe it or not, it's not just enough to like have a big Instagram page and post the product offer once, or have a big Twitter account and just tweet it out there. No, you have to have an actual plan of attack, an actual action plan on how to do SEO, how to do paid ads, how to do all of these things, right? They will show you the #1 traffic source right here in 2021 that you should not miss out on. So if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, be sure to check the description in this video. I put the link of their webinar there, so you can just click it and join immediately. So yeah, that being said, if you like this video, if you found the information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.